from this screen, this is the dashboard. But if you don't have the dashboard here, another way you can find it is by hovering over your username and click on dashboard, and you'll be sent here. Once you're here, you can click on the hosting list. When you click on the hosting list, they're going to take you to, you're going to see this button here that says go to cPanel. Okay, it's going to take a while to redirect you, and after you're redirected, you're going to be sent right here. So this is where we are. We're in the cPanel. All right, so it's pretty simple. It's not crazy, but this is how you find Namecheap cPanel. These are all tools and files, and you can set up your email here, databases for websites. You have domain list, security stuff, and metrics with other software and advanced stuff. So what you do here in the cPanel will be dependent on what you need really. So if there's something specific that you like to do here that you don't know how to do, let me know and I'll make a video about it.